Have you ever heard of Google? Probably yes, because Google is one of the largest companies in the world, with millions of people using it every day to search for information, read, watch videos, or visit a website. But did you know that there is a way to make a lot of money using a stupidly simple Google trick? A small group of people is discreetly banking $1,000 or even $5,000 utilizing this secret method. This special information was never shared with the public until today, because in this video, I'll be revealing and expose everything to you so that you can benefit from the little-known Google trick as well. You may do this for free if you have a smartphone or a computer with an internet connection, because this method is completely free and works globally. If you stick with me all the way to the end, I'll even give you a completely free tool that you can use to raise your earnings enormously. People would ordinarily spend hours to make around $1,000. But if you know the secret tool and trick, you can easily make up to $300 for each and even more in as little as 30 minutes. First step is for you to go to Google and search for the keyword Google News. Alternatively, you may simply click on this button and scroll down below to use this logo. As you can see, the news is available here, and you can simply click on it. From there, you'll be sent to this Google News page. Continue to observe and follow what I show you in order to get paid from Google. And one thing you'll notice is that there's a lot of different news on Google. You'll notice that Google will attempt to categorize all of the news into one of the most popular categories. For example, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health are some of the most popular topics that people love to watch. Let's assume I click on the health section and it takes me to this website where I can find more health-related news. Moving on, I'd like to pick one of these articles because they're all really professional. You can genuinely generate money by using Google News and other people's articles, which are extremely professional content. Simply copy a sentence or a paragraph from the article. Moving on to step 2. You may go to spinbot.com, which is essentially a free tool and a free software that allows you to spin articles. The concept is very easy. They basically have two boxes right here. This is your box number 1, where you may add the text to recreate the article. You can just copy and paste the paragraph from the article into this box, and you can see here when I scroll down below. This software will assist me in rewriting this entire article paragraph into a completely new content. All you have to do is click the I'm not a robot button and then the go button. As you can see, it's literally just one click away from helping you rewrite the entire text into a completely new article. Some of you may already be aware of the effectiveness of this method. You can literally use Google's power, particularly Google News. And I can find a variety of current topics and popular articles produced by others that are quite professional. So moving on, we could utilize AI technology, which is Spinbot, to rewrite the articles into really original material. And we could use these brand new articles to generate a lot of money, especially through PayPal, bank transfers, and other payment methods. Moving on to step 3. Once you've successfully rewritten a few articles, you can simply go to various websites and get paid. In this video, I'll show you 3 different websites. Make sure you watch all the way to the end and learn about them all, because the more websites you join up for, the more money you'll make. You can go to textbroker.com for website number 1. Now when you go to the homepage, click on this button that says I write content, and then click on this button. They'll then show you your potential profits and how much money you may expect to be paid. They will rate you from 2 to 5 stars based on the quality of your articles, and different ratings will pay you different amounts for each written word. You don't have to write any articles. You don't need any writing skills either. You don't even need any technology, and you don't need any previous experience. All you have to do is follow the easy strategy of going to Google News and finding a simple professional articles published by others, then rewriting the complete content and articles using the power of Spinbot. And that's how we get paid from Google, and anyone can do it. You should be able to acquire 4 to 5 star ratings, especially if you use high-quality Google articles. We should be compensated between 1.4 and 5 cents for each word. Let's say you receive a 5-star rating based on the quality, which you might easily achieve if you use the Google article as a starting point. If you write a 2,100-word article, you may expect to make around $105 from that one piece. This is literally one of the easiest way for brand new beginners to take advantage of the approach to make some pretty quick money online that I've seen in a long time. And guess what? You might earn up to $255 from a single article, unless if you can find a long article space of up to 5,000 words. As you can see, Google has similar topics, and you can search and combine 3 to 5 distinct articles into one single piece. You can easily adjust the word count from there to earn extra money on this service. Here are a few reasons why you should join TextBroker. It's completely free to register, and it allows you to work at your own pace. You can submit as many articles as you want, and they will pay you weekly. You will get paid weekly, and once you earn $10, you'll be able to cash out into your account. Moving on to the second website, iWriter, where you may earn money by just submitting articles. In order to get there, go to iWriter.com. Basically, there are 5 simple procedures to getting paid. Step 1 is to create a free account. Step 2 is to choose what type of category you want to work in and what type of articles you want to write. Step 3 is to submit your articles. And then step 4 is to review your article once it has been approved. And step 5 is for them to pay you the money. They will pay you a very excellent income. And based on the packages the customer purchase, you will be able to earn a different amount of money. Let's assume you write a 150-word article for $4.70 on the most popular bundle, and you write a 3,000-word post for $66. The good news is that if you provide high-quality items, such as those from Google News, you can advance to the Elite Plus level. So you can see here, if you made up to 3,000 words, you can earn a $217.50, which is a really good amount of money. You can use the same article again, and you can submit it to iWriter.com as well as to TextBroker.com. Once you've signed up for many websites, you can get paid in multiple distinct income streams from just one single article. The registration is completely free, and it is open to everyone from all over the world too. So right now, we're going to go to the website number 3, Scripted.com. Basically, they're going to compensate you for any articles you write. All you have to do is click on the Become a Writer button at the top of the page, which will take you to this page where you may apply to become a freelancer on Scripted. Again, you may work in any industry and in a variety of categories, which is why Google and Google News are so powerful. They truly covered the most popular and trendiest topics that people actually want. Also, the most well-known one includes technology, entertainment, science, and even health. And there are a variety of resources, news, and articles, all of which are constantly updated. You can rewrite the articles into brand new content using an AI technology called SpinBot. And this is really incredible as well as super beginner-friendly for anyone who wants to get started. Payment is assured once again. You can be paid automatically 15 days after your job is accepted, and you can establish your own price on this website. You can charge a lot more money than the previous 2 websites. Now for the first website, TextBroker, you can earn around $160 for a 3,000-word article, and for the second website, you can earn even more money, up to $217 for 3,000 words of articles. And right here on this website, Scripted, you can literally double your money and earn up to $300 with just one single article. They'll pay you well, and you'll be able to work from wherever you choose. Currently, they accept around 20 different countries. All you have to do is click the Apply Now button, which will take you to a page where you can finish the registration by entering your email, first and last names, password, and creating a free account. So in order to get paid from Google, you can utilize the power of Google and Google News to publish multiple articles, change the material, and submit it to 3 other websites. And that's it!